What are the advantages of sustainable tourism? You support the local economy as it encourages sourcing of all supplies from the local suppliers. You employ the local population, and in that way, you reduce the level of poverty in the region. You reduce your overheads and costs of business by using energy-efficient appliances, consume less energy and other resources. You protect the environment and reduce the negative environmental impact. What conditions your accommodations need to fulfill to be considered sustainable? Source local produced food and organic products. Green construction, your accommodation need to be energy efficient and built with natural materials, wood, stone brick, etc. You use solar thermal collectors for heating water. You use renewable energy sources, solar, wind, water stream, ground source, that heat pumps, etc. You use biodegradable cleaning products. You separate and recycle the solid waste, paper, aluminium, organic waste, packaging, etc. You use sustainable transport to transfer guests to and from your accommodation by cycle, public transport, walking, etc. You use energy efficient LED light bulbs. You use water flow reducers. You collect the rain and grey water for watering the garden and flushing.
Is abroad ever since we've had enough time and money to go. In 1958, Boeing introduced the 707, and the number of international tourist arrivals has grown exponentially since. Today, there are over 1 billion tourists, and growth is set to continue with emerging new markets. The nature of tourism is unique among industries. We're selling a product that's not owned by anyone, and is shared among many, a fragile product that needs protection. But tourism today operates in a price-driven market where margins are increasingly squeezed. If care isn't taken, quality is driven down and destinations degraded, and the opportunity to offer an enriched holiday experience to customers is missed. With a different, more sustainable approach, tourism can offer greater rewards for business and at the same time benefit the environment and communities living in destinations, and of course customers. The past decade has seen the world change rapidly, both economically and environmentally. The pressure for sustainable tourism has got greater and greater, and we can't turn back the clock. Customers now punish companies who don't operate responsibly. So it's time for a change. Time to make business as usual something different. When businesses start to actively care for the product, the people and the experience, something special happens. Doing things differently and doing them right, and creating real competitive advantage. The Travel Foundation was the result of some forward thinking back in 2003. We were set up in partnership with the industry, for the industry. Since then, we've built a wealth of experience and knowledge, creating a hub of sustainability expertise and offering opportunities for partnerships and practical help. We've brought businesses, destinations and not-for-profit organisations together, because working this way means we can all achieve